Hey, social cammers. It is me, and it is, what's today? Thursday. Thursday at about 1 o'clock, I guess. Just thought I'd do a little quick update. Mike English, your, your hiccup video, I'm laughing because I understand. When I sneeze, I actually have to hold both sides of my neck like this when I sneeze because it sets off earthquakes. And I've actually, true story, have sprained my neck twice. I didn't even know you could sprain your neck, but apparently you can. And you can definitely do it when I sneeze. And so I feel your pain, brother, but I got to be honest. I laughed till I cried. I haven't laughed till I've cried in a long time, but that last hiccup right before, right before you ended it, when you were like, "Dear Lord," that was funny. Okay, so now we've got that out of the way. Nothing else exciting going on, really. Still been enjoying the social cam thing. Jonathan Martin, you can come and fold clothes at my house, I guess, if you need to. My wife would love to have you. Also, last night I was watching watched the CMT Awards, and I got to be honest, I was kind of disappointed. It wasn't really that great of a show. It wasn't much better than the Dove Awards. To be honest with you, did I say that out loud? It just wasn't that great. The only thing that I thought really stood out and that was really worth talking about was the last performance of the night, which was, of course, Rascal Flatts. They did an awesome job. If you haven't seen it, I'm going to end my social cam with a little bit of that performance. So watch this. I hope you enjoy. If you're not following me, you need to follow me. Let your friends know they need to follow me. Here's what you missed last night. Here's just a little bit of Rascal Flatts' performance from last night at the CMT Awards. Talk to y'all later. Alright, so that's Rascal Flatts with Journey. We'll end it there, and I'll talk to y'all later. God bless you. Bye.